The latest news coming in as far as the Sushant Singh case is concerned. Now, this is the latest as far as the NCB probe, the Narcotics Control Bureau probe. Earlier this morning, a joint team of NCB officials and cops were at Ria's residence. The actor was at home and was served a notice to join the probe. Let me go across to Sandhya, who's been tracking all of this for us. Sandhya, if you can take us through the details here. The NCB team reached Ria's residence and asked her to join the probe.
Yes, absolutely, Avni. So it was today morning that NCB teams reached Ria Chakravarti's residence once again, and they asked Ria Chakravarti to join the probe. Now, NCB officials actually gave her two options, that either she can accompany NCB teams and appear in front of the NCB officers, and she has actually been asked to come here. We are outside the NCB office, which is located in Mumbai Southern Park. So this is the place where she has been asked to come to join the probe. And the second option was she can come on her own. So the NCB teams the NCB teams which went to Ria's house, those teams are back, and Ria was not with them, which means that Ria Chakravarti is going to come on her own. And what we have been told by our colleague Neha Kulkarni is that Mumbai police has reached Ria's residence, so there's a possibility that Mumbai police will accompany her when she'll come to NCB office here. Mumbai police is providing security to Ria Chakravarti and her family after she sought security and safe protection from the media cameras which are following her. So Ria Chakravarti is expected to come to NCB office and join probe today itself, Avni.
That's right, Sandhya. In fact, stay with us. Let's also sort of look at all the other developments as far as the Narcotics Control Bureau is concerned. Now, Dipesh Sawant, the staffer of the deceased actor Sushant, was last night brought to the NCB office. In fact, he was arrested for his alleged role in procuring and handling of drugs. In fact, Dipesh Sawant was arrested after it was found that his answers were inconsistent during the NCB's interrogation. He was examined alone and also confronted with both Souvik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda. And meanwhile, the CBI has also questioned filmmaker Sandeep Singh and publicist Rohini Iyer last night in connection with the case. Rohini Iyer was also a friend of the deceased actor. So, Sandhya, if you can just take us through now, because NCB is so far the only agency which has gone ahead and made arrests. But multiple arrests at that. If you can tell us what's been happening.
So total 8 arrests have been made by NCB so far in the case, Avni. It started with the arrest of Abbas Ahmed, then Karan Arora, and during the searches at their places, 46 gram of marijuana was seized from Abbas Ahmed and 13 gram of ganja was seized from Karan Arora. After that, Zaid and Basit Parihar, they were arrested. Basit is the one, according to NCB, who used to supply drugs to Souvik Chakraborty, and even Zaid had indirect links with Souvik Chakraborty. The fifth arrest in the case was Kaizan Ibrahim, again another person who is supposed to be, who according to NCB was the one who was linked with Souvik Chakraborty and was helping him in the selling and purchasing of drugs. And apart from that, the next arrest in the case was Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakraborty. And the recent arrest in the case is Dipesh Sawant, bodyguard of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now today he was here only. He has been taken out of NCB office. He has been taken to Sion Hospital for his medical test as per the procedure. And now he will be produced in the court today. Avni.
That's right, Sandhya. So a lot of developments continuing to flow in thick and fast. Let's also go across to Neha, who's joining us as well. Neha, what can you tell us? Of course, we do know that Ria Chakraborty is usually escorted by the Mumbai police whenever she has to go for questioning.
Yes, and which is what the scene is here. We are at Ria Chakraborty's residence. NCB has already served summons to her. In fact, the option that was given to her was whether she could come with the team to the NCB office or she could come on her own. And we understand that she is likely to go on her own. And that is why in front of Ria's residence house where we are standing, we'll be showing you how exactly the bandobast of Mumbai police is. There, as you can see, in a usual drill, if we can say, 2 Mumbai police vans have already appeared here, and definitely, as you can see, these are the Mumbai police vans. One is the van out there and one is the vehicle. They've already come. We understand that the female constables also have reached here along with her, which remains the usual drill when they come and they have to escort her all the way to the NCB office. We understand that the Mumbai police team has arrived here minutes ago, which means that according to the usual drill, Avni, Riya should be getting into her car and moving towards the NCB office in some time. Remember, we've seen how her brother Shouvik Chakraborty has already been arrested in the alleged drug peddling case, and the NCB remand copy also mentions his name, how he was involved with Samuel Miranda and the two other drug peddlers that have been taken by the NCP in this alleged drug peddling that has been going on in Mumbai. In fact, in a statement, NCP has also mentioned how they want to bring out this entire nexus that's been happening in the film industry, and they want to uproot it. But the recent update being that Riya Chakraborty has been summoned today by the NCB, and she is expected to come out of her house anytime soon.
Right, and Neha, if you can just give us a sense, show us what's happening at this point in time. We understand, of course, like you also pointed out, that the Mumbai police has reached Riya's residence. So, we can assume that it is to escort her to the NCB office where she has been summoned at this point. If you can just take us through those details.
Absolutely. So we understand that around close to 8:15 a.m., the NCB served summons to Riya Chakraborty by coming to her house and said that she will have to appear today in front of the NCB. The option given to her was either she could come with the team or she could go on her own. And after a minute, the NCB left from her house, which means that probably Riya has taken the option of going on her own to the NCB office, which is in Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai. Now I'll show you what's happening outside her house now. This is the Mumbai police van which is already coming here. This is a van that is usually the drill is whenever she has to go to the DRDO, either for the summoning by CBI and today by the NCB to meet the NCB officials. The Mumbai police vans usually comes here because that protection has been asked for. Avni, remember, Riya Chakraborty and her family had made the demand that how she needs a safe passage from her house till wherever the central agency is calling her, so that she is able to go there safely. And upon the request of CBI, Mumbai police had granted this request, and we understand this is happening today itself. We also want to show you how the two cops are also standing there patrolling the lane, if we can say, because remember, the traffic also needs to get cleared out when the cars come out, and that's where we always see the cops also doing their duty. We know, if we can show you a little more closer towards her gate, the media presence, definitely to ask her to question her on the summons that have been given to her. And we now realize that this is the Primrose building, which we are showing you, her building, her apartments in Santa Cruz, where she's been staying with her parents, and she's expected to come out anytime soon now, because we understand that only hours ago she was summoned by the NCP, and she had given her statement saying we agree, because she's not left with the team. We realize that she will be moving now anytime soon, and which is why the bandobast is fully geared up to ensure to give her that safe passage which she's been asking for. And from here she'll be going to the NCB office in BKC, which is almost about a 30 to 45 minutes distance.
All right, Neha, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you as and when there are more developments. Meanwhile, Riya Chakraborty's brother Shouvik has been sent to the NCB custody till September 9th. He was arrested on Friday. Mirna has also accessed the remand copy, which states that Shouvik will be confronted with his sister Riya to probe the abetment and conspiracy angle. The NCB remand copy also said that Shouvik had revealed names of his associates and will be probed regarding the financial trail of the drug purchase. Meanwhile, Times Network also gets you the inside details of the court proceedings that took place, speaking exclusively to the NCB's special prosecutor, who claims that there exists a big drug syndicate in Bollywood and in the creamy layer of the society, and they have been tasked with breaking this syndicate.
In remand application, that has been mentioned that he has committed an offence under 27A for illicit financing directly or indirectly for the drug procurement or sale, purchase, anything. For that purpose he has been charged, and court thinks that it is better to give NCB custody for further interrogation or deep interrogation. From NCB, it is as per our case, it is not concerned with small quantity or something like that. It is a big syndicate which is working in Bollywood and high creamy layer of society, and it is ruining the entire society as such, and therefore looking at small quantity makes no sense, and that is how we have argued, and we have put our case in such a way.